Okay, Miss Loris Gillian po. Yes? Miss Loris Gillian. Everybody, palakpakan po natin Miss Loris Gillian for this year's Cinemalaya. Miss Loris Gillian, same question po. What do you think will be the most difficult part of being a jury for this year? I'm sorry about that, yes.
She's Cinemalaya.
She's Cinemalaya, period. Okay, so because it's historic, okay, what is something that the audience will look forward to for Cinemalaya Benefit?
Well, this is the 20th anniversary, the 20th edition of Cinemalaya. There's 20 years as a landmark. So we expect something different, something strong, something exciting, and I really wish all the filmmakers who are participating in the competition, I wish you all good luck.
Thank you so much. Salamat po sa pagtatatag ng Cinemalaya. Ako po, andun pa. Nung po, nandun ako eh.
Pioneer.
Pioneer. Kaya maraming salamat po talaga.
Truly an historic event. So, 20 years Cinemalaya. Thank you very much, Ms. Loris Gillian. We'll see you inside. And of course, we have one of our esteemed jury members, Sir Ahmed Mustafa Zamal. Good evening, sir. I understand that you came all the way from Bangladesh. Yes, sir.
Hi, sir.
May I please guide you towards the center of our red carpet? Sir, is it your first time to be part of Cinemalaya?
Manila, of course.
What are you looking forward to for Cinemalaya Bente or Cinemalaya 20 years?
Actually, last 24 years, I'm screening so many Filipino films in my festival. And I know a lot of filmmaker, actors from there, but I wanted to come there, but this year's dreams come true. And I'm very happy that I'm here. And I wish that festival will be grow more. I used to know Tipoy before. He was the founder, and we met many times, many places. But I couldn't manage to come. But this year I'm very grateful to these people who has invited me to come here. And I'm sure I'm going to select so many films and the film director and actress so that they can come. And already a lot of filmmakers and actors visited our festival.
Thank you very much for continuously showing your support for Filipino film and Filipino actors.
Thank you so much for coming, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. We'll see you inside, Sir Ahmed. Yes, in a solo photo with Sir Ahmed. Okay. Yes. And I will join this photo naman. Thank you very much,
Thank
sir.
you so much.
Ay, syempre. Ito na sila.
Mga hindi mahihain yan.
Oo, totoo
Marami
yan.
tayo itatanong sa kanila.
Yung isa nga dyan, pangalan, diba? Diba,
Monster.
Ayan na po. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Sir Gerald Tarog and Miss Karine Monster Jimenez. Okay. Sir Gerald, you're a jury this year po. Tama po. Yes. Okay. At si Miss Karine and Miss Monster, kayo po ba jury for this year? Yes. Okay, so.
Parati ka na jury, I'm sure. Hindi? First time ba to? Hindi naman.
First time sa aming competition.
First time. Okay. So ano po yung nilo-look forward niyo sa mga pelikula? Or ano yung inahanap niyo pala? Oo, inahanap niyo sa mga pelikula.
I'm just excited to kasi I'm sure nataas ang quality ng mga submissions for this year. So I'm just very eager to see all of them.
And Monster?
Something that will surprise me.
Alam mo, mahirap yan.
Like kasi surprise, hindi ka na surprise. Mahirap talaga.
Mahirap talaga yan. Kaya looking forward ako sa film, yung makakapag-surprise kay Miss Monster. Okay, so you know what? We look forward to this year's Cinemalaya. Yun talaga. And see you all po inside.
Thank you so
Sir
much.
Gerald. Yes. And picture, of course. Yes. Okay po. Thank you very much po. Yes. And for those of you who want to go straight to Cinema 7 for the opening ceremonies, you can also proceed to Cinema 7 now. Feel free to proceed inside the cinema. Pwede lang po kayong dumaan dito, ayan, paikot. Pwede kayong bumili ng something sa 7-Eleven. Kayo na bahala, discarte na yan. Kayo po paali Oh, di ba? Kilala naman natin to, di ba? Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin Carlitos Sigion Reyna.
Hi, Direk.
Ay, Sir Carlitos. Ayan, di ba? Parang wala rin sinimalaya kapag walang Carlitos Sigion Reyna, di ba? Looking forward tayo to that. Meron tayong question. Naalala niyo po ba kung nakailang Cinemalaya films po ba tayo na ever sa history? Sa 20-year history ng Cinemalaya? O kung ilan yung films na naging bahagi po kayo? Yes, of course. Hari ng Tondo. Hari ng Tondo lang. Really? Talaga? Wow! Akalain mo yun?
I was teaching in Fish Asia, that was for 7 years ago. Did in 2010, 2008, 2015.
Yes! Ay, grabe, no? Talaga. And then, so for Cinemalaya 20, are you looking for something special? Kaya tinanong namin si Miss Monster, what is she looking for? Kayo, ano yung looking forward to kayo dito sa 20?
First of all, all of the competition kids in the section, I'm the chair of the competition section. Even those kids, there's a feature length nabasa ko lahat. I'm really excited because the materials are all good and kanya-kanyang personal stories ito. And I'm excited there's one documentary on the restaurant. 9 of them are, ibang genre, ibang non-genre restaurant. And then the shorts, I saw the short films and they're all, I've seen the short films and I think it's the future and I really am excited about this program. And I'm excited to see the results of the, results of the jury.
Yes. Yes, actually.
Sana panoorin ng mga tao. This is the 20th year of Cinemalaya and we have an exciting selection of competition films and feature length of short films at saka yung opening ng closing film at saka lang sa special exhibitions including the documentaries. Thank you very much.
Yes. So sabi talaga ni Direk Carlitos, panoorin niyo lahat. Okay.
Sabihin ko na lahat.
Sabihin na lang. Thank you very much, Sir Carlitos. Ay, solo picture po dito as we welcome our next. Alright, this will be also like our CCP reunion. Okay, we're gonna make sure, welcoming here on the red carpet, Ms. Teresa Rances. Of course, we have Sir Chris Miliado and Sir Dennis Marasigan.
Hi, hello. Hi, sir.
Isa na ako dito, pasensya na.
Eto, di ba ako na nagsinemalaya?
Ayan, dito. Ito rin, mga direktor natin to eh. Mga direktor natin to, si Sir Chris, oh. Ayan po. So, Sir Chris, Sir Dennis, Miss Teresa. Okay, 20 years, Cinemalaya. Wow! What can you say about Cinemalaya 20? Okay, XX. Ayan, start tayo with Miss Teresa.
Panoorin po ninyo lahat. It's a very exciting year on our channel. Salamat po.
Sir Chris.
Hope to see you in not only here in Manila Bay Theaters, but all the Ayala cinemas in Trinoma, Greenbelt, Market, Beauty Town Center.
And finally, Sir Dennis.
Tinitiyak po namin lahat ng pelikula ng Cinemalaya sa taong ito, may lakas, may lalim, may loob.
Ayan, tapos na. Yung
Sinabi
kailangan sabihin.
Sinabi niya niya ang title. Okay, okay.
Diba, okay na. Oh, picture,
Okay na po.
picture.
Sige po. Ayun po muna yung picture habang ayaw.
Ayun po muna tatlo.
Yes. Okay. Ayan. Thank you very much po.
Ayan, salamat po.
And now we're back to practical. Day 2. Day 2. Ayan. Sige po, welcome po natin muli
Hello
ang
po.
Primetime Mother. Ay, hindi na po. Ang Gospel of the Beast na pala.
Yes,
Siyempre,
no?
opening film natin mga yan. Ito na. Let's go. Hello, sir. Ayun na po. Please ko yung nagkakiyan na tayo sa Gospel of the Beast. Hello po. Who will be sharing about Gospel of the Beast? Kayo na po ibibigay ang ating microphone. Yes, of course. Just a quick invite to everyone.
So, manood po kayo ng Gospel of the Beast. Kami po yung opening film.
Yan lang, straight na straight. Meron pa po ba kayo sabihin? Wala na kami. Kwento ko pala yung ano. Wala na kasi yung boses yung director ko. Ako naman, kwento ko.
When 15-year-old Mateo accidentally kills his classmate, he runs away with a man he barely knows and creates a unique father and son relationship with him where he learns the harrowing realities of life, death, and beasthood. Ito po yung kwento. So sana mapanood niyo yung pelikula natin.
Yes, Gospel of the Beast, our opening film. Excited na ako.
Let's go, Gospel of the Beast!
Bakit po kayo mga alis? Picture po muna tayo.
Ayan. Okay. So sila po ay mag-picture Gospel of the Beast. There we go. And thank you so much.
Gospel of the Beast, our opening film.
Up next, we have our next batch of filmmakers. Ayan. We're gonna get to know them and their films. So isa-isa po sila magpapakilala. This is, we're gonna start with...
I'm Sama Naxo, Trusting Hearts and Hope to Die.
Ryan Kapili, director of I Was Walking on the Streets of Chinatown.
Hello, I'm Melanie Fain, the director of Mariposa.
Ako naman po si Bridge Rachel Harani and I'm the director of Pamalandong sa Ganaw or Reflection in the Marsh.
Say hello to the camera. Thank you very much and welcome to Cinemalaya.
Thank you so much and welcome to Cinemalaya 20.
Maraming salamat. Ayan. Our next... Ay, kilala ko po eh. Next batch eh. Okay. Si Andre Cantil. Ay, let's go over here. Ito na to eh. Hello everyone.
Hello.
Sino po natin magsasalita for to introduce
Hello.
our film? Ay, si Andre na lang. O sige, okay. Andre, take it away. Ikaw po ba talaga? Yes. Ayan, okay.
Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. I'm Josh, I'm the director of Cantil. And with me are my co-actors, si Andre and si Edmond. And one of my producers, si Jake, and also one of our actors, si Sir Tats. So Cantil basically is a story of a community sa Davao City in Barangay Tibunggo where I grew up. Yeah, it's set in 2004, maraming nangyari, but we are following these two lovers amidst all of these challenges ng Barangay Tibunggo. So, ang Cantil ko ay para sa mga fans ng BL fans ng sci-fi. I mean, yes, it's a queer sci-fi film. So, iniimbitahan niyo po kayo lahat na manood po at sumuport sa film namin. It's just supporting our film is also supporting regional cinema, especially in Davao City. So, maraming salamat.
Salamat po.
Maraming salamat po, Cantil. Ayan,
Okay
ang
po tayo
ating
sa camera?
cast. Yes, ng Cantil ang ating queer sci-fi from the region of Davao. Ay, kakaiba. Looking forward to that talaga. And so, up next, yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you inside. And also, now we have an errand. Ay, maganda rin to. An errand. Naku, nakaka-tense tong movie na to. Please join us. Naku, may makilala tayong naku, napakaganda. Oo, talaga. So, please, who will be sharing about an errand today? Who's our director? Okay. Our director or our writer? Okay. Sige po. Yes, sir. Take it away.
Hello, good evening. I'm Dominic Picard, director of An Errand, and tonight I'm here with Sarge Cuesta, writer and producer, Jill Sanchez, and Anton Caputo, who are our associate producers and our people in Baguio, and Dolores Man, who are wonderful actors. So, I'll let Sarge explain to you the beautiful script that he wrote as we do.
Exciting yung script namin kasi hindi namin alam kung drama ba, violence, love story, romance, sex. Kinuha na lang namin lahat po para, kunyari, isa lang ang pwede nyo panuorin. Ito na, parang pinanood nyo yung buong Cinemalaya. Pero loko lang, please support all the films because it's supporting all the films. We really support not just Philippine cinema, pero the spirit of Philippine creativity. Malaking sobrang pasasalamat namin sa Cinemalaya, tsaka kay Chris, so that's like kay Greg, and everyone. And we're very lucky to work with such a talented group of people. Such a talented community, not just here in Manila, also in Baguio. Especially, we had a lot of fun in Baguio also. So, ilan yung representation. I turn you over to Dom to talk about our actors who are fantastic also.
Yes, so we are very lucky to have Sid Lucero as our main actor, Arthur Cunha as Sir, and Nanding Jose as Ben. So I'm very excited for you guys to see it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Picture.
Yes. Yes, and go Laura, our lady, please. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. And Aaron, looking forward to that. Ngayon naman po, konnichiwa. Ito na po ba ito? Konnichiwa. Konbanwa. Ayan, hello po. Ay, naku, grabe naman. Ay, grabe naman.
Grabe Padilla pala to.
Hello. Welcome everyone. Ano to? Dito. Ayan o. Ano ba siya? Diba? Ayan, okay. So, of course, let's please share about our film and what our audiences can look forward to dito sa ating Kono Basho. Tama, ito.
Yes, Kono Basho is actually translated as Displace. So it's a tale of two sisters meeting at the funeral of their shared father in a city that was greatly devastated by the March 2011 tsunami. With me is my Japanese producer, Kusumi Soga, Judithia Hashadawa, who is actually one of the community leaders in Rikuzen Takata, our lead actress, Gabby Padilla, our line producer, Katsi Kitaran, Angel, our associate producer, and Joseph, one of the producers of Metal. So, part of making this film is a long-time research that I did in So it's a family drama. I hope you get to see our film. It's all about grief and making sure that please say that you're not alone in experiencing grief. So just like having a sister, sitting down with a sister and with your family and making sure that you understand that you're not alone. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimashita. Yes, picture taking irashaimase. Kumain. Okay, eto na po. Yes. Maraming salamat po. Kono Basho, looking forward to your film. Yes, yummy.
This way.
Inside. Thank you very much. Ay, teka lang. Ito, isa pa to. Hindi ko manalo eh.
Nasa phone pa.
Ito na eh.